Okay, this next video is going to be twofold. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to download and create a PDF out of an internet file that you have found online that you don't want to be able to have to go back and forth between the website and maybe condense your sources into, let's say, a Google Drive folder or something like that. The second phase of this video is going to show you how to actually create a folder in your Google Drive, then upload that PDF into your drive. So I'm going to go to a source that I found on here about abortion. So let's say I'm doing a research project on abortion. I'm going to want to go up here to File and then go to Print. When I do that, it should give you the option to print to various printers and things like that. And you're going to see it's going to give me a preview of the file. And I have this little introduction that, let's say, I want to keep here. I really like this introduction. I want to be able to cite it and use it. But I want to kind of centralize it. I want to put it where I want it. Little known feature is down at the bottom of the left side, it'll give you the option to open PDF in preview. Now if you do that, it will actually take the web page, take the document that you're looking at, and it'll actually make it into a PDF document that you can again upload and do whatever you want to. It will title it usually preview of print, or something like that. But in order to rename it, I just need to click on the title right here and go to rename, and then it should give me the option to rename it. So I'm just going to call it, and then click save. Now make sure you know where you're saving it. I'm saving it to my desktop. I always save downloads to my desktop just so I know where they go and that I can easily find them. So I'm going to click on save. And now you can see that the name has changed up here. It's abortion article. And I can close out of here. So if I go to my desktop, you can see that my abortion article is right here. So now the next step of that, let's say I want to take that PDF and I want to upload it to my Google Drive. Well, I already have my Gmail opened. So I'm going to now go to this little thing right here, this 3x3 square, and it will say apps. You can click on that. Go to Google Drive. Now from there you're going to see that I am in my drive. I know that I'm in my drive because it'll say my drive right up here. Okay. If I click on shared with me, all the documents that are shared with me then will come up. If I click on starred, I can see these are anything that I've starred. So you want to make sure you're on my drive. That's going to actually put things into your Google Drive. Now you can see I have a whole host of folders here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create, and I'm going to create a folder. And just for sake of argument, I'm going to call it American Lit. And once I do that, I'll click on Create. Then you'll see that American Lit, that folder, will populate right here. Now, if I'm going to upload that document to my American Lit folder, I need to make sure that I have that American Lit folder open. And I'll know that I'm in that folder because it'll be highlighted red on the side, and it'll also say American Lit up here. Okay. So now to upload that document, I'm going to click on Upload, Files, and then I'm just going to go down to my abortion article, which I know is saved on my desktop. If you can't find it, make sure you're on desktop. Okay, click on abortion article, and then click on open, and then click on start upload if it prompts you for that. And then you can see I have abortion article in my American Lit folder stored. So you can see that anything in here, I have that article now stored here. I don't have to actually go back and forth between that web page. So let's say I have a whole host of sources that I found online that I want to kind of collect all into one place. I can easily do that by making them PDFs and uploading them to my various folder within my drive.